Hello everyone. Previous year question papers will help you to know what type of questions asked and also marks associated with those questions. For these reasons, in this video I am going to discuss the questions asked in previous year question papers from the chapter Carbon and its Compounds. First question is, identify the correct electron dot structure of nitrogen molecule in the following. This question was asked in September 2020. It's a multiple choice question. In these four options, option A is the correct answer because the atomic number of nitrogen is 7 and its valency is 3. So it needs 3 more electrons to become octet. In order to attain an octet or stable, each nitrogen atom in a molecule contributes 3 electrons, giving rise to 3 shared pairs of electrons. Next question is, the name and molecular formula of unsaturated hydrocarbon having general formula CnH2n and containing 3 carbon atoms is. In these four options, option D, propene, and its molecular formula C3H6 is the correct answer. We can easily calculate molecular formula of unsaturated hydrocarbon containing 3 carbon atoms using general formula CnH2n. Substitute n equal to 3 in this formula. C3H2 into n is 3. It becomes C3H6. Next question is, can detergent be used to test hardness of water? Give reason. The answer for this question is, detergent cannot be used to test hardness of water because detergent give foam or lather with both hard water and soft water and do not form scum. Now moving to the next question. It's a 4 marks question and asked in September 2020. The question is, what are structural isomers? Write 2 structures of butane molecules. In this second question is, how would you distinguish experimentally between an alcohol and carboxylic acid? Answer for the first question is, carbon compounds with identical molecular formula but different structures are called structural isomers. The molecular formula of butane is C4H10. Here are the 2 structural isomers of butane. Answer for the second question is, carboxylic acid reacts with carbonates and hydrogen carbonates to give rise to a salt, carbon dioxide and water. Alcohol will not react with carbonates and hydrogen carbonates. Next question is multiple choice question. An example for saturated hydrocarbon is. In these 4 options, option A C2H6 is an example for saturated hydrocarbon because C2H6 is the molecular formula of ethane and it is made up of 2 carbon atoms and 6 hydrogen atoms. Next question is, the molecular formula of 3 carbon compounds which are in homologous series are C2H6, C3H8, C2H6, C4H10. The suitable general formula for these compounds is. In these 4 options, option D, CnH2n plus 2 is the correct general formula for these compounds. Next question is for 3 marks and this question was asked in June 2020 and June 2019 question papers. In these 2 questions are there, you have to answer any one of these 2 questions. The first question is, explain the addition and substitution reaction with the help of examples. C2H6 undergoes substitution reaction but not addition reaction. Why? Answer for this question is first, explanation of addition reaction. Unsaturated hydrocarbons combine with hydrogen atoms in the presence of catalysts to give saturated hydrocarbons. Example is hydrogenation of vegetable oil. Now, explanation of substitution reaction. In the presence of sunlight, other group of atoms can replace hydrogen atoms one by one from carbon compounds. Example is, in the presence of sunlight, chlorine replaces hydrogen atoms one by one from methane. The chemical equation is methane plus chlorine gives chloromethane plus hydrogen chloride. C2H6 is saturated hydrocarbon. In C2H6, there will be single bond between carbon atoms. No hydrogen atoms can be added, but hydrogen atoms can be substituted. Next one is 3 marks question. Explain how soap cleans clothes. More amount of soap is required to clean the clothes in hard water. Why? Answer is, the molecules of soap are sodium or potassium salts of long chain carboxylic acids. The ionic end of soap interacts with water while the carbon chain interacts with oil. The soap molecules thus form structure called micelles. This forms an emulsion in water. The soap micelles thus helps in pulling out dirt in water and we can wash our clothes clean. The reaction of soap with calcium and magnesium salts in hard water develops scum. Hence we need large amount of soap to clean clothes in hard water. Next question is, what is covalent bond? Answer is, chemical bond which is formed by the sharing of electrons between two atoms is known as covalent bond. Next, 1 mark question is, name the first member of alkynes and write its molecular formula. The first member of alkynes is ethine. Its molecular formula is C2H2. Moving to the next question. The general formula of two specific groups of saturated and unsaturated hydrocarbons is CnH2n. Write the structures of the member of each group when n is equal to 3. The structures of the member of each group when n is equal to 3 are cyclopropane and propene. Moving to the next question. It's a multiple choice question. The functional groups present in propanol and propanal respectively are, in these 4 options, option A is the right answer. The functional group of propanol is OH and the functional group of propanol is CHO. Next question is, what are structural isomers? Name the first member of alkanes that shows structural isomerism. Answer for this question is, compounds with identical molecular formula but different structures are called structural isomerism. The first member of alkanes that shows structural isomerism is butane or C4H10. Next question is for 3 marks. In these 2 questions are there. You have to write the answer any one of these 2 questions. The first question is, write the differences between saturated and unsaturated hydrocarbons and write the molecular formula and structural formula of an alkane having 5 carbon atoms. Answer is, first, saturated hydrocarbons. In carbon compounds, carbon atoms have single bond between them. These compounds are normally not very active. Unsaturated hydrocarbons. In carbon compounds, carbon atoms have double or triple bonds between them. They are more active than saturated carbon compounds. The molecular formula of an alkane having 5 carbon atoms is C5H10. Here is the structural formula of an alkane having 5 carbon atoms. Next question is, carbon atom does not form C4 minus anion and C4 plus cation. Why? How can ethanol be converted into ethanoic acid? The answer is, carbon can gain 4 electrons, but it would be difficult for the nucleus with 6 protons to hold on to 10 electrons, that is 4 more electrons. It can lose 4 electrons, but it would require a large amount of energy to remove 4 electrons, leaving behind a carbon cation with 6 protons in its nucleus holding on to just 2 electrons. Answer for the second question is, alkaline potassium permanganate or acidified potassium dichromate is added to ethyl alcohol. When it is heated, it oxidizes to form ethanoic acid. The chemical reaction is, ethyl alcohol is added to alkaline potassium permanganate or acidified potassium dichromate. After heating it, it oxidizes and forms ethanoic acid. You can expect around 7 marks in board exam from this chapter. I hope this video will help you to score more marks in the board exam. Thank you so much for watching this video.